Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. If this is your first time of finding any of my videos, thank you so much for clicking on this video. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back for my videos. So guys, today I'm going to be doing a product review as always, and the product I'm going to be reviewing is Dr. Rashel Vitamin C. I keep wanting to say vitamin A, vitamin C face cream with hyaluronic acid. So if you're interested in hearing all I have to say about this product, please stick around for the entire video. Yes, welcome back guys. So like I said, I'll be doing a review of the Dr. Rashel Vitamin C brightening and anti-aging face cream that contains hyaluronic acid. This is what it looks like on the outside of this product, and when you open it, there's another seal inside, and then the cream is just like this, and then there's I don't know whether to call it a flyer or something that contains information about all Dr. Rashel, many of Dr. Rashel products in here. Yes, so this is what the container looks like. I hope my camera can focus. I don't know why my lighting is bad today. Anyway, this is what the container looks like. It's a really pretty orange container, and when you open it, there's an inner seal inside before you can access the cream, but I've thrown it away. Yes, so what are the things I like about this cream? First thing I like about this cream is that it's really lightweight. It's not one of those heavy creams. It's really lightweight, and it dissolves very fast into the skin. Another thing I really like about this Dr. Rashel face cream is that it is highly hydrating and moisturizing, and I think because of the hyaluronic acid that it contains, hyaluronic acid is like an ingredient in products that improves moisture on the skin or helps the skin to retain moisture, and it's highly moisturizing to the skin. This face cream is really hydrating and has a lot of moisture. When you apply it on your face, in short, your face just brightens up instantly. Initially, when I bought this product, I used it for about a few days, but I didn't like what my skin looked like. My skin began to look, should I say, dull or what? I really do not know. So I stopped using it that period because I really needed to glow, and then it was giving me a kind of effect that I didn't like. But after some time, I picked it up again and started using it, and it has really been nice. Another thing about this face cream is that I noticed it improves facial dullness. If you notice that your face is dull and you need something to brighten it up, this vitamin C face cream by Dr. Rashel is going to do that for you. It also reduces the appearance of fine lines. If you have all those lines, like when you smile and then or when you wink or blink and you have lines around here and on your forehead, all those aging fine lines, it's over time it clears all those things out. So that's another benefit I've noticed with using this cream. Another thing in addition I need to mention to it being really hydrating is that it's really brightening. On the pack you see they write brightening and anti-aging, and I really can attest to that brightening effect, because once you rub the cream, it's almost as if you used Vaseline because of how a shine instantly comes on your face. So that's something I also need to mention about this cream. Those are the things I like about this cream. Moving forward, what don't I like about this cream? The thing I don't like about this cream is that for such an awesome product, it comes in a really tiny container. Look at how tiny this container is. Really tiny container, and I purchased this for 2,500 naira, I think. Yes, I bought it for 2,500 naira, and I feel like for other products in the market that do similar things, this is like the smallest face cream for that price range that I've come across. But if you compare the price to what it actually does, it's really worth repurchasing. So yes, the only thing I do not like about this cream is the fact that it's a really tiny container. I feel like for the price, for the size, comparing the size to the price, it doesn't really give value for money. That's just my opinion, but I love all the ingredients. I like that it's deeply hydrating. It clears out fine line. I can't really tell you that on its own it works in clearing maybe dark spots and pimple. I don't know if you can see this dark spot on my face. It hasn't really done much for me. I find that my, what's it called now, my Vid Gold toner does a better job of clearing out dark spots and all that, but I can't really tell you that I've seen major improvements on fading out dark spots by using this product. However, for brightening, I give it a 10 over 10. For hydrating the skin, I give it a 10 over 10. For improving fine lines, I give it a 10 over 10. And what else again? Yes, those are the major things. Yes, brightening, I already mentioned brightening. Those are the major things I noticed about this cream. It will smoothen out your face, and your face will really look really nice. Yes, so those are the things I have to mention about this lotion. Where is it made? I think I saw, where did I even see that they safe? In China, distributed, manufactured in something China. So it's made in China, but it's really a product that I'll encourage you to try if you're looking for something to moisturize your skin, brighten your skin, clear out fine lines, and just, you know, give your skin a brightened and glowing effect. So yes, that's all I have to say about this cream. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you are, please give it a like, check out my other videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.